Yo, step into the garden where the greens be fresh. Got the veggies on the block, yeah, you know the best. Carrots in the patch, they're the orange delight. Crunchy, sweet, healthy, man, they taste so right. Broccoli's in the house, they're tall and green. Good for reds on top, it's the healthiest you've seen. Spinach on the scene, got those iron-packed leaves. Popeye's secret weapon, the one that never leaves. Veggie vibes, yeah, we keep it tight. From the salad bowl to the stir-fry light. From the garden to the plate, it's the veggie parade. Healthy and delicious, yo, it's homemade. It's our meals ready to ripe like a flavor burst. In the pasta, in the sauce, man, they quench your thirst. Cucumbers cool, they keep it chilly crisp. Slice them in your salad, take a crunchy risk. Peppers come in colors, red, yellow, and green. Spicy or sweet, they're the flavor machine. Onions in the mix, they bring the zest and the kick. Cooking up a storm, yeah, you know we got the trick. Veggie vibes, yeah, we keep it tight. From the salad bowl to the stir-fry light. From the garden to the plate, it's the veggie parade. Healthy and delicious, yeah, it's homemade. From the farm to your table, the freshest in town. Veggies all around, wearing that green crown. So when you eat your greens, give a shout, don't wait. They're the MVPs on your plate, looking great. Veggie vibes, yeah, we keep it tight. From the salad bowl to the stir-fry light. From the garden to the plate, it's the veggie parade. Healthy and delicious, yo, it's homemade. So remember this rap when you're thinking of a snack. Veggies on the track, yeah, there's no looking back. Get those greens in your diet, let the flavor unwind. Veggie power in the house, always one of a kind.